Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. All students.
Myself Surya Kameswari. I am from OMA 226. I am practicing auscultation of heart.
How much we have points?
5 points.
First point.
Mitral valve. It is in the fifth intercostal space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear. And the second one is aortic wall. It is present in the second intercostal space.
Left or right side?
Right side of sternum.
Okay.
And the third intercostal, the third sound is pulmonary. It is left. It is left of the sternum, second intercostal space.
Okay.
And the fourth point is present in the cephaloid process of sternum, tricuspid wall. And the fifth point is Bocana-Ella point, and it is present in the third intercostal space.
Okay. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe for a second.
Yes, ma'am, sound is
Okay, thank you.